Hey guys, I'm Josh here from 4S Professional. I'm very excited to share with you guys that we just launched a new self-installation kit. In this video, I'm going to go through together with you on how to install a car battery on a Toyota car. Step 1. You have to put some lubricant. Step number 2. Loosen up the car battery holder. Usually the car battery holder size will be the same with your car terminal nut. Step number 3. Remove the negative and positive terminal. Do not touch any parts of your car compartment. Step number 4. Remove the used battery. And put the new battery in. And when you put back, we do it reversely. We're going to put the positive and then the negative. So step number 5 is to start your engine. Everything runs smooth. We can start to install back the battery holder.